Today we will talk about sales funnel strategies which works for every business. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, my name is Hansu. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you will be notified for the videos I am going to put in the future. So today we are going to talk about basic sales funnel strategies. So it is going to work for every business, whether you are in a repairing business, whether you are in an online teacher, or you want to sell your online course, or you are an affiliate marketer, or you have a brand. I'm talking about the basic simple sales funnel strategies. So it is going to work for you no matter what business you are in. So before we start talking about the sales funnel strategies, let's talk about what is sales funnel. So the sales funnel is a simple process where we convert a prospect into a buying customer. So we take a person who is random, who don't know about us, and we take them through a journey, and then we convert them into a buying customer. So the sales funnel strategy which we are going to talk about is going to be very basic. So the whole basic structure will be the same whether you are creating a webinar funnel, a long page copy funnel, or a video funnel, or a free ebook funnel. No matter which funnel you are creating, the whole basic structure, the basic strategy will be the same. The first step in our sales funnel will be collecting information. In this step 1, we will be collecting information. We will be collecting emails, names, phone number, so we can follow up with these people. Why we are creating this squeeze page? Because we want to collect people information so we can follow up with them. If 100 people are coming to your funnel, not everyone is going to buy your product, but the big amount of people are not going to buy your product. And if we collect their information, we can follow up with them later on, and we can sell them our product later on. Now we have got their information, email or phone number, so we can send them email anytime in the future and try to give them a discount and sell them our product later on. In this step 1, we want their information, and people who are visiting to your funnel are not ready to give their information to you for free. They want something for exchange, right? So we provide them something valuable for free. We give them an ebook, we give them 5 videos, we give them a webinar, a free webinar. So we are providing them something for free which is valuable for them in exchange of information. So now they are giving you their email address in exchange of something valuable they are looking forward to. So now it's a both win-win situation. The person is getting something valuable and you are getting the information which you can use for long term and market them for free in the future. In the second step of our funnel, we are going to show them the product and services which we want to sell. This is the step where we do the selling. Okay, so if you are a person who sells online courses, so this is the step, this is the part where you are going to show them your course and trying to charge them for your course. If you are a consultant, if you want to book someone for your one-to-one consulting call, this is the step where you charge them for booking your consultation call. Okay, so there will be people who will not take your course, there will be people who will not buy your product in this step, but we have already collected their information in step 1. So now, even though if they don't buy your product in this step, we have already collected their information in the step 1, and now we can give them a call, we can send them an email and offer them a discount and sell them the product in the future. So in the third step of our funnel, we'll do the upsell and downsell. Many of you may don't know about upsell and downsell, so let me tell you. in the upsell, we try to sell something for higher value to the same customer who bought the product. Okay, and in the downsell, we do the same, but we try to sell something for less amount as compared to the product. So let's say if you are selling a product for $100, so in the downsell, we try to sell the same customer something for less value. So we'll try to sell them something for $30, and in the upsell, we'll try to sell them something for $350 or $400 in the upsell. Now, people who are buying your product, not everyone is going to take your downsell and upsell. But you need to understand this. People who are going to take your downsell and upsell, it's just pure profit. So now it's increasing your revenue, and the person who was just worth $100, now it's going to be worth $130 if he takes the downsell. And if he takes the upsell, it's going to worth a lot more. So now you are increasing your revenue with the same customer. So let's try to calculate it. So if 100 people are coming to your funnel and 20% of the people buy your product, which is like $100, and 20 people buy your product, it's equal to $2,000 in revenue. Let's say out of those 20% of the people take the upsell. So now 4 people have bought the $30 product. So it's an increase in $120 in the downsell. And let's say if only 5% of the people out of this 20% people bought your upsell. So now it increased the revenue by $400. Right? So now instead of just $2,000 in revenue, you are making around $2,500 in revenue with the help of downsell and upsell. This is how you increase your revenue with the same amount of customers. Same amount of people are coming to your website, but you are making more revenue with the same amount of people. And this is how you will be able to spend more in the market to acquire a customer. Let's say you are able to spend $2,000 to take 100 people to your funnel. But now, because you are making more revenue, to break down, you can spend $2,500 to take 100 people to your funnel. So now you can spend more to acquire the customer. In the 4th step of our funnel, we will follow up with the people who came to our funnel and give us their information, whether they are already our customer or they haven't bought anything from us. We are going to follow up with them. It means if we have collected the phone numbers, we are going to give them a call. If we have collected the emails, we are going to send them emails every week. Now you have to remember this. You should not send them emails every single day and try to sell them every single day, because if you will do that, the person will know your intention is only selling. What we will do is we'll try to provide them something valuable in the emails. So when they will get email with information which is helpful for them, they will open it. And then if we will try to send them some offer which is good for them and which is going to be very helpful for them, they are ready to buy your product. And that is how we make money on the long term using this simple sales funnel strategy. Now this simple sales funnel strategy works for every business, whether you want to sell online courses, whether you are a consultant, whether you are a shopkeeper or you are a brand. We always take information first, then we show them the products, then we do the upsell, and then we follow up with the customers and the people who have given us the information. This is how this works. If you want to create your own sales funnel and you have no coding knowledge or any technical knowledge, don't worry. There is a software called ClickFunnels which help you in creating sales funnel very easily with just drag and drop software. So I have dropped the link in the description for the software, and you can take your 14 days free trial from the link below. Or if you want us to create the whole sales marketing funnel for you, including squeeze page, product page, upsell, downsell, and follow up, you can just give us an email and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. You can find the email in the description below. And if you are really serious about trying the sales funnel, don't waste your time. Go down below, take your 14 days free trial and start testing. It's going to be really fun and you will enjoy it, and it's worth your time. So this was my video on sales funnel strategy which works for every business. So if you find it helpful, or if you didn't find it helpful, please give me a comment, because I'm new to YouTube, so I can understand how can I improve my videos. And please give me some recommendation on videos which you want me to make. So thank you so much for watching my video till now, and please give me a comment. It will help me in improving, and it will also hit the algorithm to show my videos to more people. Thank you so much for watching my video till now, and you have a great day.